How to remove an object from a photo in Canva. To remove an object from a photo in Canva, simply left click on the photo and then click on Edit Photo in the upper left corner of the screen and then click on Magic Eraser. Then on the left side adjust the brush size and then simply brush over the object in the photo that you would like to remove. And as you can see, even though the background of this photo is rather complex, Canva did a great job. Now at this point it needs to be mentioned that the Magic Eraser is actually a Canva Pro feature. So in case you are working on Canva Free, unfortunately the Magic Eraser tool is not available for you. How good the Magic Eraser works to remove an object from a photo in Canva highly depends on the photo itself. Generally speaking, it will work the best on photos where the background is rather simple. But as we have just seen, even in a rather difficult photo like the one here, Canva did a good job. Now let us try the Magic Eraser on a different photo. In this case here, we have a very simple one color background. Let us try to remove this lamp from the photo. First of all, left click on the photo, then click on Edit Photo in the upper left corner of the screen again, then click on Magic Eraser, adjust the brush size and then brush over the object in the photo that you would like to remove. In our case, it is this lamp here. So we will simply brush over it and let's see what happens. Now, as you can see, the lamp has been perfectly removed. However, down here, we still have some shadows remaining. We can actually get rid of these as well by simply brushing over the fragments that still remain. And as you can see, this problem is now perfectly solved as well. With that said, to completely remove an object with the Magic Eraser in Canva, you might need to brush over it a couple of times before it's completely gone. If this video indeed solved your problem, I would be most grateful if you could smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now make sure to also watch the next video on this channel where I will tell you everything about how to remove text from an image in Canva.